Okay, I got the new transformer installed in this little transformer box that had a transformer in here with tar and all that. So I pulled the tar out, heated it on the stove, dumped the tar out, got the old core out there. I put a Stancor transformer in here, which was a mighty, mighty big price on eBay. And it was a 4,000 ohm to 3.2 ohms to run the speaker here. Was able to get the speaker wires soldered back on there properly. And that was kind of a chore, but be careful and just get them on there. So there they are. Got the two driving wires on here that go to the plug. And that's it. Put this guy back together. See if it works on the radio. There's the plug. It's probably got a number on it. Yep, it's a PL55. So that's the story there. This looks to be the original cord too. It's in pretty good shape. So I'm not sure how the transformer in this got blown out. Maybe the radio had a short or something. I don't know, but it sure was blown up. So the old radio this went to, maybe this speaker got discarded because it didn't work. I don't know. Anyway, time to put it back together. I guess I wasn't careful in understanding which way this goes back in here, which orientation. I guess I could look at the picture when I first bought it and see how it goes. Well, okay, that's obvious. It goes like this. I remember the grills match. They both go down, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna put in a bunch of more screws, and this old speaker will get a test on the radio. The radio is a part, yeah, here's the speaker emblem here. It's a Crosley speaker. So these are the same guys that made the radio, and I guess they made speakers too for the radios. So I know that, yep. Is it LS7? Sure is, LS7, high serial number. That's it. Put the speaker back together, and I have an official speaker. I've seen one other guy run one of these speakers on YouTube, and he gets a speaker here and he contacts it to the case of the radio and runs it that way. So it's probably how it's meant to go. Anyway, so much for my restoration. I'm still working on this little bracket for the power, which has been painful. I did mark some holes in this thing here, and I gotta drill some holes there and tap them, and then use the original screws that held this thing in. Like here's one of them here. I gotta get a tap in some screws like that, and then I can mount this to the radio, and we're all set. So getting finished up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.